What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 25 Week 1 live cop. We're back getting straight into the live cop. I told you guys after the 24 season that I was going to do the 25 season. Hopefully we can get every single week like we did last time. Well, I think I missed like Black Friday and things like that. But besides that, I hope we can do every single week again for this season. Before I get into it though, I did want to say I just destroyed my finger and it is bleeding everywhere. So if you're wondering what's on my hand, that's that. Also, I know I kind of switched up the setup. I'm working on a new space to film these videos. However, I couldn't finish it in time, so just bear with this for right now. This is probably just gonna be for this week. So yeah, just ignore that. You're just here for the live cop. Ignore all this. But like I said, it's a week 1 live cop. I'm sure if you're here, you already know that. I did want to make like a preview lookbook review video, but I didn't have enough time to do that. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not liking this season. I am not liking it. There's like maybe 5 to 10 items that I'm really feeling, but this season just isn't for me, which I find really funny because usually it's me every single week typing up all these things and you guys are telling me I'm tripping. I don't know, I'm talking about these items are stupid, and I feel like the roles have reversed. Everyone's saying this season is fire, well, that I've seen online, and I don't know, I'm just not feeling this season. There are a few accessories that I want to go for, obviously. Honestly, too, now that I think about it, I want to say there was like 3 personal clothing items that I wanted to go for, but obviously we don't know the collabs yet, so I'm sure down the line, weeks to come, there's going to be more items that we're going for. And I did want to say, because I'm pretty sure I've said this every single week, that there's a tee week. Are these the worst tees you've ever seen from Supreme? I think I say it every single week. Like I said, I keep saying these are the worst tees Supreme ever made, but then every single time they drop more tees, they somehow surpass that and make even worse tees. I'm not feeling these at all. You guys usually see me drop like $1,000 to $2,000 on just the tees. This time, I think I'm gonna go for one tee, just one tee. There's not even a photo tee, so that's a little upsetting. But I'm just going for the one tee, and it's not even that good of a tee. It's the only one I feel like I could possibly sell out of any of these, so that's the reason that we're going for it. And then I did want to say too, I am absolutely devastated that the ET is $500. I know it's the Stife collab, and I got the Stife bear up there from a few seasons ago. Well, actually a few years ago now. $500 is crazy. We might change our mind and go for it, but I highly doubt it. I'm a little upset. It's either gonna do one of two things. It's either gonna extremely resell because I want it and don't get it, or it's gonna just be a complete brick, and if it retails for $500, it's gonna be like $300 on the aftermarket. There's gonna be no in between. I feel like it's either gonna extreme brick or extreme flip, only depending on if I buy it or not. We don't have much time before the drop, so I'm not really gonna go over everything, but those were like the few things that I wanted to talk on. But we will go over real quick on the drop list. Oh, I also completely forgot. It's week 1, so you know we had to bring the list out. We only do this on week 1, and if you see my past videos, this has got to be the smallest list. I don't know if I said this already, but I'm gonna be honest, there's not a single thing dropping today where if I don't get it, I'm gonna be bummed out. I honestly could care less about this whole week. Like I said, this is off to a really bad start for me. I'm not feeling this stuff. There actually is non-clothing item personals that I want to go for. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really feeling the bags this season. I really want to get the backpack and the duffel bag for myself, even the camera bag. But just looking at the pictures, I'm not sure if the camera bag is actually gonna fit my camera, so I think I need like the messenger bag, whatever. I have it written down on here. I guess I really don't even need to go over the list. I can just go over my list because there's a ton of things dropping. I did want to say though, the most hyped item for the week is the Damien Hirst Shark skateboard. That is on my list though, obviously. Everything that I'm going for, I'm just gonna speed run it real quick. We're going for the Hirst Shark skateboard, possibly the pink backpack. I can't decide if I want pink or camo. Pink is my favorite color, but it's such a light pink. I'm fearing that like one wear, it's gonna be super dirty. Really, when it's these light colors, when they get dirty, it just doesn't look good. So I don't know if I should get pink or if I should get the camo. Then I put the ET on here, even though like, come on now. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I don't know. It's very upsetting. I'm also debating on the alarm. I'm not for sure. I got a few of the other alarm clocks that they've done. I'm not really the biggest fan of this one. I don't know. I guess I'm just a hater this season. I did put the puzzle keychain. I'm definitely gonna go for that, even though I think it's like 40, 50 bucks. Oh, then we got the utility bag. And then again, I don't know if I wanna go for camo or pink. Then we got the Hirst Sheep skateboard, the camera bag, like I said, in camo or pink. The rhinestone hockey jersey is actually pretty sick. I do wanna try to get that. I wanna try to get a couple of those. I don't have like extreme faith that they're gonna resell like crazy, but I do feel like it's gonna be a good item, so that's why I want to go for that. I'm probably not gonna go crazy on it. Maybe like 2 max is what I'm gonna go for those. Then we got the duffel bag, like I said. I'm thinking camo for that one. That's gonna be thrown around everywhere. I don't think I should get pink for that one. We got the mini messenger bag in pink or camo as well. I think I already said that. Then we got the playoff zip. I kind of only want to get this if I can get like a black size small. I think this hoodie is really cool and I want to make a video about it, so that's kind of why I'm going for it. The white one is super sick too, but I know some people stay away from white just because it's white. Then the announcing tee, that was the shirt that I was saying. That's the only tee that we're going for today, even though I still think it's terrible. We got the pancake skateboard. I'm gonna get that for the personal. The Stars football jersey is severely down the line on how hyped up it was, but I don't know. I still feel like I'm going to try to get 1 or 2 of those. Then we got the black letter beanie. And I also forgot the reverse skateboard. I want to try to get all 3 of those if I can. And then lastly, we had the New York 6 panel. There's still like quite a few things that we're going for, but like in past week ones, this is like nothing. And like most of these items are like, I'm not for sure if I'm going to get them or not. I kind of just put them on the list. I kind of want to think about it. I should probably get myself like a pen too, so I can cross it off. And we got a couple minutes to the drop, so I got to get going. I got the marker, so I crossed those off as we're going. And then yeah, we only got like 2 minutes left until the live cop, so I'm pretty sure I should get this queued up. Hopefully Supreme hasn't changed anything about the checkout, because you know we've been off for the season. And we are live on the live cop, so we got about 1 minute left until the drop. I think what I'm going to try to do for the first cart is maybe get the skateboards all together, because I know they're pretty high up there on the list, like for hype. I don't really think they're going to sell out like super quick, but who knows. I think I'm just going to try to get those just all together. Usually the bags don't sell out that fast. I'm sure though, because I actually want them for once, they're probably going to sell out. I think depending on how the skateboard cart goes, I might go for the ET. I'm still like on the fence about it. I really want it, but the price is just ridiculous. We got a couple seconds left until the drop. That already looked like that was lagging there for a second. I don't know. I'm hoping too with the reverse skateboard you can get more than 1, because I do want to try to get at least 2 of those. And all right, it is 11. Here we go. Probably go back and then go to this. Should work. Yes, we are live. New, well, everything's new. I don't know why I clicked that. We're just gonna go all the way down. Show you guys see this real quick. Yep, it really was $500. That is crazy. So we're gonna go for these skateboards. Add to cart. Wow, that really was $88. That is crazy. Here's what I'm hoping that we can get. Oh, you can complete it. Let's go. And now we need the pancakes. And that should have been all the skateboards. Yeah, I actually did not want this one. So yeah, let's try to check out with just these skateboards. Hopefully nothing too crazy for this, because every single time the capture gets me. Wow, we're really gonna have to wait in line. We got all the skateboards. Dang, I do want to try to go back. Maybe I could just monitor this on my phone really quick. I know it's gonna be too late, like it already happened by the time you see this, but do you guys think the ET is gonna sell out? Is the price just too crazy? Oh, we're already right through. This is a first. For a week 1, that seems kind of crazy. Okay. Not letting me, man, it's doing that again. I think I gotta hit the refresh on here. That could possibly mean that one of the decks sold out. I feel like sometimes it means that, or sometimes it's just lagging. You can't really tell. Oh no, with my broken finger I can't screenshot anymore. All right, so we got all of the skateboards. We are good on there. I'm gonna go check though. Do you guys think that ET is sold out right now? It's 2 minutes in the drop. You think he's gone? Dang, he's still there. Let's just add him to the cart and think about it. We're gonna try to get a massive cart right here, even though like the shipping really doesn't matter. So here, no way, what? What? It was like that? This was so down the line. Wow, okay, all right. Are these gone too? No, these are still here. So I'm gonna try to get this. Wow, like I said, I did not see that coming. Can we get this in a small? Oh, this was $200. I might come back to that. Like I said earlier, I don't know if I have the most faith in that for that to be like that crazy. Dang, the camo one's kind of cool. I guess I'll just try one of those. You could probably only get 2, right? Yes. So we got that. What were some other things? We got these bags. We should probably figure out the bag situation. That was the duffel and the camo. We got all these skateboards. Let's get this. And then let's just check out with this really quick. I already forgot what was even in this cart. Wow, right through. Okay. I feel like this screen is like different for some reason. Like it's like lagging for me. Like a click is like off clicking. Dang, so there was an issue processing my payment? That never happens. Dang, there's an issue with it. Oh, did this sell out? That failed the CAPTCHA? What's going on here? Okay, we're back. I have no idea what I might have failed the CAPTCHA. Clearly that didn't sell out. Here, now this is probably gonna really kill me, but got this. We got this, we got this, we got this. We got the Stars football jersey. I think I only kind of want to get one of those. I don't have the most amount of faith on that, to be honest, because like I said, it's so far down on the list. So let's see what else that we need. We need the backpacks. These are all gone. I'm just gonna go down like this. Star jerseys there, that is still there. I'm gonna debate on the hoodie. I'm gonna try to get maybe just a couple more of these. I don't really want to go too crazy on these. All right. Man, I'm just like devastated by these tees. These are literally like the worst tees I've ever seen. And then here, I think are the hats that I was talking about. New York 6 panel, yeah. Is it this? Yeah, okay. 58 seems kind of crazy. This colorway is sick. Definitely need to get that colorway. You can get more, but think I'm only gonna get those two, because that's another thing where I'm on the fence on if I ever think it's actually gonna be worth it. I am gonna get these. Also might be the only two that I get though, if I'm being honest. I'm not also feeling those. We got all this stuff. I don't really think I need that clock. Should I get pink or camo bag? I just want one of these so bad. I might do pink. I might regret that, but I might do pink. And then which one of these bags can hold my camera? This is one that they call the camera bag, but I just really don't think it can. So what is this? This is the utility bag. And then what is this? The mini messenger bag. I feel like this would be like a better bet. Now I kind of want to take that camera bag out. I feel like I don't need that. The mini messenger bag I think would be better. All right, let me just get this really quick. I don't want one of these things selling out while I'm debating. Okay, so if this goes through, oh wow, no. I guess this is what I get for trying to cross this out early. See, this is what I think I know you guys can't really see right now, but I feel like this is why it kept getting declined. I must be getting one of these questions wrong. Every time, I feel like the CAPTCHA, every season. Let's try this CAPTCHA again. What am I doing wrong here? This gotta be sweet. Okay, back in the game. So hard to screenshot with my broken finger. So I got the backpack in pink. Didn't go the alarm. Did I get the utility bag? I got the mini messenger bag. Oh no. Oh no, I think that was the wrong thing. The announcing tees, we got the beanie, this, we got all the reverse skateboards. Oh, I did get the wrong bag. Should have double checked on that. That's kind of annoying. So these jerseys are gone. So we can cross that off because they're obviously I cannot get those because they are not here. This jersey's still fully here. Like I said, I just don't know if I have too much faith in this. Might add one more though. Like I don't know if I'm checking out on this. We're just taking one. This probably be my final checkout right here. So we're just gonna take a long look, see what else we got. Might just get a couple more of these. All right, I definitely don't want any more of those now. Maybe I'll just get one more of this hat because I really like this one, but I don't know if it's really gonna go that crazy. We'll add it. We'll think about it. I definitely don't want to get the beanie though. And now I need to figure out this bag situation, and then I think we're all good. Luckily, they're all here. They're not selling out. So what did I do wrong? This is the utility bag. I think this is what I put down on there, and this is what I messed up. This doesn't really seem like though like I could like carry my camera in this though. This kind of looks like for like traveling. You know what I'm talking about? Dang, I really wish I could see this in person. Wow, the pink sold out. I kind of feel like I should get this too, just in case. Wow, that's the only pink thing to sell out. That's actually kind of crazy. Man, this is gonna be bugging me all night. I don't know if I should get this utility bag because I don't want it to be like just ridiculous and I shouldn't have bought it. Because I doubt I'm gonna be able to get my money back on this. I feel like I haven't looked at the camera at all. I'm really sorry, guys. I was really zoned in. I know I'm not gonna make my money back on this though. That's the thing. I just wish I could see this in person. I might just take the L and not get this and just pray that it's gonna fit in the other bag. I don't know. It's stressing me out. I don't know. I added it for a second. Should I go back and just check that zip up as the final item? Still here in a small. The size, nope, it is sold out. So I guess it was not meant to be. I should have acted faster on that. So I don't know. Like I said too, the $200 was kind of stressing me out. Let me just go back here. I guess this will be my final cart and I'm just gonna call it a day. Praying I will be able to sell one of these bags because I clearly bought probably the wrong bag. One of these has got to be wrong. Well, obviously I don't need all these bags. I just got to figure out which one it's gonna fit my camera in. So this should be the final cart. Oh my god, again. It says something sweet. Which one of these is not sweet? Clearly I'm clicking too much. Is that every single card I got the CAPTCHA wrong on? Every single one? Oh, I forgot I had that jersey in there and I was just thinking about, okay, it's whatever. So I think that is gonna be good. I ended up just passing on the alarm clock. We got the bags, like the camera bag and stuff, but like I said, one of those has gotta be wrong. And then obviously I did not get the zip. So we did pretty well. I purposely passed on the alarm and then only 2 things I didn't get. And then I bought more things with the bag messing up on that, but that was 100% my fault. So yeah, pretty good week 1. I guess I could end the screen recording here. And that's gonna do it for my spring summer 25 week 1 live cop. We pretty much got everything that we were going for. I passed on the 1 item and then there were 2 items that I missed, but I wasn't too worried about them. I guess it was my fault for not really going for that. I did not think that that jersey was gonna sell that fast with it being so far down the line on the hype list and all that stuff. I was pretty shocked to see that go so quickly. Again, I guess I just didn't need it because I didn't prioritize it enough. At least I got the skateboards, even though not a single one of the skateboards sold out and the skateboard was the highest item, so I guess you can never really believe the list. I know this video is running long, so I don't want to waste too much more of your time, but if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I'm going to be trying to upload a video every single week again for the spring summer 25 season. I also have some other ideas that I'm working on and hopefully have some new videos coming soon, so you're not going to want to miss those. So make sure you subscribe so you can see when those come out. I also have some new shorts up as I've been finally uploading again. Not every single day like I used to, but I have been uploading a lot. So again, check those out if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this week, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys are actually feeling this season or not. Am I just tripping or are you guys feeling it? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.